another day, another session of struggle. Welcome back to another episode of Unity Noob to Unity Pro. Welcome back. This episode, we're going to get our finish to actually work properly. So first things first, let's get over here and get a script. Alright, we got a level complete script. Let's head inside and dive right into the coding. Okay, how are we gonna go about this? With some research. Let's get it started. Yeah. Awesome. Mission accomplished. We did not fail this time. Oh, we did not fail. No, we did not. Okay. So, let's get to explaining some stuff, alright? So, here we got the finished, right? I might need to change how I want the level to be completed, but so here we have the finish. I made it a trigger, and I tagged it with the finish. Actually, that doesn't matter. See, I saw I looked at this video, right, that explained how to do it and all, and I planned on using the tag. The tag feature, whatever. But then I didn't quite understand how exactly they got it into the update and all, or whatever they did. I didn't quite understand that fully, and they were using switch and case and all that, and I didn't quite understand that. So I went a simpler route. And well, look how simple this is. I made a private on trigger enter, and then I for the namespace I added Unity engine.scene management, so I could use the scene manager and load scene 1. So here's it in action. That's not gonna be how I use it in my final project or whatever, or near the end of it. I'm gonna probably define it, or not define it, or update it so it it just looks nicer, works better. Cause also that only works for one level. So at the moment it's fine, but when I start getting more levels, I'm gonna need to change something. So yeah, right now it works, so we'll keep it like that. We need some wins right now. I've taken 2 L's in a matter of one video. So yeah, we'll take that. So I think I'm gonna change how I have the finish though. I have it all the way over here. Having it a trigger. See, I was gonna do it on collision enter, but it didn't work when I did it, and I didn't know what to do, so I swiftly changed it to trigger. So right now we have a very simple scene loader, scene manager, whatever you want to call it, but it works, so that's all that matters. Yeah, I'll change where this is. I'll probably spice up the levels some more, add some. Honestly, half this level is pointless, because if you're just trying to make it over here, then what's the point of I'll make a better level, don't worry. This is just my play pen. But yeah, what else? I mean, it's only been 20 minutes. Shoot, let's do something else. What else can we do? So we got the scene loading, one scene. The only thing I did to make level 2 look different was I raised the sphere over here. Oh my god, why is it moving like that? Why is it moving so slow? But yeah, that's the only thing. I just wanted it to look different, so like when I switched scenes, it wasn't a replica. So that's why I did that. Oh, what could we do? So we got, all right. So let's think. Let me think. We got the scene to load. All right, I just took a trip down memory lane, and that's right. That's right. I said I could try working with the UI. Okay. And so with that, I could have like an accelerometer down on the bottom right or somewhere. And so I could do that. Oh god, that sounds hard, but let's do it. Let's do it. All right, yeah, there we go. All right. Let's get to work. First things first.
Everywhere I go, I see his face. I just really miss him.
Alright, man, what you got to say about
It's most commonly used to create games, the main menus, to make buttons the player can interact with and click on.
So, do any of y'all have dogs that will never shut up? Because mine never shut up. It's, fatal error, what? What happened? Okay, I'm gonna try something, and if it works, then this will be great. It didn't work. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, because there's no rigid body attachment. That's right. I forgot. Rigid body. Alright, well, I think I'm going to call it a day. 2 days? 3 days? I don't know. However long I've been recording this episode. Well, going back and record. I think I'm going to call it a video. I'm going to stop, and because this video is going to be way too long otherwise. And I mean, we'll just continue this in the next video. No big deal. I'm not quitting. I don't give up so easily. Except for those. I'm not done yet. No. Anyway, I'm going to end the video here. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get back my movement with the rigid body right here, because I don't know, it's just the rigid body seems so much easier to do things than this. But I'm trying to get the how I want it back. So far, with the code that I have, it's rolling on its own, right? But I can still rotate and it moves with it, so that's good. But when I press W, it does that, and it just goes in that one direction. Also, if I do that and I run into something, well, something like that happens. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but that's happening. Anyway, that's what I have right now. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this thing down here. I'm gonna try and get the movement down with the rigid body first, then I'll worry about the gauge and all. But yeah, that's where we are right now. Let's see. Yeah, I just changed everything with the rigid body and all. I was trying something with this. Didn't do exactly what I wanted to do. Hold up. Let me just. Okay, well, it didn't go straight this time. I don't know. I'll mess around with it. But for now, I guess this is goodbye. Till the next video, I guess. Man, I just don't want to say goodbye yet. Well, goodbye.